Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the 24th annual general meeting of your company. The directors' report and audited accounts for the year ended as on 31st March 1971 have been in your hands for some time now, and with your permission shall take them as read para. The profit and loss account for the year under review shows net loss of rupees 52 lakhs. In my speech to you at the annual general meeting last year had mentioned that the use of imported pulp was not economical owing to its high cost, and as such your directors had decided to limit the production to the availability of pulp from our existing plants. I may mention that the discontinuation of the use of imported pulp has resulted in substantial saving as shown by the drop in the loss during the year, as interest charges on government loan are a heavy burden on the financial structure of the company. Your directors have already approached the government of India for converting a part of the loan into equity capital. The selling price of proper to the press remained unchanged during the year under review. However, as a result of repeated representations made by the company urging the need for revising the selling price of paper, I am happy to report the government of India has very kindly increased the selling price of paper para. On behalf of the shareholders and the board, I wish to thank all the workers and staff for the hard work put in by them in maintaining the high standards of performance of this company. Your board of directors appreciates that the shareholders have had to go without dividends for the second year in succession. I would request you on their behalf to bear with us for some time, as we have undertaken a large expansion program requiring a heavy investment, and I have no doubt that very soon we would have passed a difficult phase and a brighter future will emerge. Finally, I wish to express my deep gratitude to my colleagues on the board for all the support, advice and guidance they have readily extended to me. My thanks are also due to the government of India, the state government, the shareholders and our esteemed customers for their guidance, encouragement and continued support.